Hey guys, this is Whitney from the blog Tried and True Mom Jobs, and if you have a blog or you're thinking about starting a blog, you want to be able to figure out what blog topics to write about, and that's what I'm going to show you today. Now, if you have not started a blog yet, you definitely want to check out my article I wrote on how to start a WordPress blog for under $100, because I go in great detail about it, and I even go down to the details on what plugins I use. So you want to make sure that you check that out. Now, for those of you who do not know, I get well over 200,000 page views per month to my blog, and most of my traffic is coming from Google. That's why I always want to stress when anybody's asking about how to start a blog, I want to stress the importance of learning SEO, search engine optimization, because people are always searching for things on Google, and because of that, I'm always getting traffic to my website, and I'm always making money through ads and affiliate marketing. And you can do the same whether you're monetizing your blog through ads or affiliate marketing or any products that you sell yourself. You want to be able to get found, and to do that, you have to learn SEO. So when you're thinking about things to write about for your blog, you want to be able to niche down as much as you can. What problems do you want to solve, or what reason do you want people to come to your website? You really want to think about that, because it creates identity of who you are and will help people understand what your site is about and why they should come to your site. Google knows that my site is about work from home jobs for moms. So when it comes to questions, when people are looking in Google for jobs for stay-at-home moms or work from home jobs for moms, my articles are showing up because they know that that is what I'm about and that's what I talk about. Now, if you don't know what you want to write about yet, that's totally fine. I definitely recommend to niche down, but I helped my friend start her blog, and she didn't really know what she wanted to write about or focus on, so she started writing about everything. And then she promoted her articles on Pinterest, and she saw that people were more interested in her relationship articles. So she niched down to only talk about relationships, and she's done very well doing that. When they say the niches are in the riches, it's true. And I've been able to figure that out because I've been able to build a six-figure business with my company because it's very specific in what I do, and people know me now when it comes to looking for ways to make money from home with kids. And I've only been blogging for 2 years. So this just shows you the importance to just create an identity, make sure you solve a problem, and then have a targeted audience. You want to be able to just target be very specific in who you're targeting, because it will help you in the long run. So when you're looking for blog topic ideas, there's things that bloggers are calling cornerstone content. And Mediavine, my ad publisher, they wrote an excellent article on cornerstone content for you to understand. It's a great article that I beg you, when you're working on your cornerstone content, come back to the video and go in the description below and click on that link, because the article is so detailed in helping you understand what cornerstone content is about. But I do want to show you a diagram that they created that really, I think that helps explain what cornerstone content is and the importance of it. Because when you are creating a website and you have a blog topic that you're writing about, you want to fully cover that topic totally. So Google will say, hey, this person is an expert in this topic, and they should be ranking for anything in regards to this. So let me show you what that's about, how that looks. Okay, so you see here on this homepage, it says homepage. So say, for example, that this website was just wanting to focus on cheesecake recipes. So in order to show up on Google and be seen in Google's eyes, they have to fully cover this topic. So they're going to have an article about cheesecake recipes. This is going to entail all these cheesecake recipes right here. It's going to be a low-carb cheesecake recipes, no-bake cheesecake recipes, and vegan cheesecake recipes. And they're going to have supporting articles even under that, like low-carb strawberry cheesecake, and so on and so on. So all of these articles right here are going to all link up to this very top one right here, which is the cornerstone content, telling Google that this website knows everything about cheesecake recipes. So anytime someone is asking a question about cheesecake recipes, that they should show this website and their articles, because they have really fully covered the whole topic of cheesecake recipes. And I can't stress that enough. And you want to be able to also write your articles in a way that Google will rank your articles. And I just did a video on how to write your articles to rank on Google. So you definitely want to check that out when you're writing your articles. I'm going to do another video on how to find what keywords you should choose to write about. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so that you will get notified when I release that video. So let's take this example and put it into Google to figure out what are some blog topics. So let's say we're going to go to Google, and then I typed in cheesecake recipes, and then I'm going to scroll down to show you how to find some blog topic ideas. Now these are questions that people are already asking. So you'll see it says people also ask, how do you make a Mary Berry cheesecake? How do you make cheesecake from scratch? What are best cheesecake? What are the best cheesecakes? What are different types of cheesecakes? So these are questions that people are asking, and these are the questions that you want to have articles about, or you at least want to have these in your article wrapped in the H2 text. And I talk about H2 and all that in the video I did on how to write your articles to rank on Google. So that will help you when you are writing your articles. But this is how you find your blog topic ideas. It's right here. These are the questions that people are asking regarding cheesecake recipes. So these are the type of articles that you should be writing. I also use my competition as a guide when I'm writing articles or looking for ideas to write about. Now I did a full video because I used this tool called Ahrefs, where it helps me find out what keywords my competitors are ranking for. It gives me the search volume. It gives me the keyword difficulty. And I use all that information to write my articles. So once again, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell for notifications when I release that video. But that is how you find your blog topic ideas. You want to be able to first build your foundation on whatever topic you decide that you want to write about. And that's the way I would do it. I would first create this cornerstone content to build the foundation of my website, let Google know that I'm an authority on this topic. I'm an expert on this topic. So whenever someone is looking for anything in regards to cheesecake, for example, I want my articles to show up because I am an expert and authority on this subject. Same thing goes for my website. Anything regarding to work from home jobs for moms or stay-at-home jobs for moms. I want my articles to show up. So I've written tons of articles that are related to stay-at-home mom jobs. So Google knows that I'm an authority and an expert on this topic. And that's how I've been able to get so much traffic to my website, because they know who I am. Who are you? What are you writing about? What problem are you solving? Take a minute and think it out. Do your research. Look at your competitors and see what space can you fill in this huge market of different topics and niches. So I don't know if they say niche. Then I think that's the right way to say it, but I like to say niche, so whatever. But anyway, I hope this was helpful in you figuring out what are some blog topics that you can write about, and especially when it comes to SEO. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Still got a lot more content to share to help you build a successful website. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great day.